Niaje tena wadau na wadaulet. Teqcher flight tena hapa. Nimetokea tena na kahesabu. Na leo mtu wangu tunaangalia method 3 of solving quadratic equations. Nilikuambia kuna 4 methods of solving quadratic equations. Tushafanya ya kwanza ilikuwa completing the square method. Ya pili ilikuwa factorization. Sasa tuko ya tatu inaitwa quadratic formula. Then after this we shall do the fourth method yenye inaitwa method of using graphs ama kuchora graphs. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Sasa hii method yenye inaitwa the quadratic formula usiata jaribu kukram. Inapatikana pale kwenye neck 4 figure mathematical tables. Ukiangalia tu pale nyuma unaweza ipata. But when you do maths frequently, of which I recommend, utapata unajua hii kitu offhand. So ni x ndo the value that we are looking for. But remember, not all questions have x. So wejua tu x will always be the unknown. So is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. When we say 4ac, we are saying 4 times a times c. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So niko na 2 examples zenye tutafanya and then we see how it goes. So the question will always specify, kama hii inatuambia use the quadratic formula to solve question A, x square minus 7x plus 12. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. First of all, nimeshinda nikikwambia you have to identify whether the question has been written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation, so it must be equal to 0. So ukiangalia vizuri imepangwa hivyo. Tumeanza na x square, tukafuata na 7x, so bx, then plus c which is 12. So we can now start. Looking at this, a is 1. Kama hakuna namba imewekwa hapo inamaanisha a is 1. If there is only x square, it means a is 1. Then our b, I need you to be careful, b is minus 7. Hii kitu watu wanasahau sana wanafunzi wengi. Then our c is positive 12. Kuwa mwangalifu with the sign yenye iko hapo. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Then mtu wangu, we are looking for the unknown x. Manze hii kitu ni rahisi, manze ni rahisi. So unakuja tu unasema, unaona formula inasema minus b. So utaandika minus, alafu our b is minus 7. Then niweke brackets, niweke minus 7. And then plus or minus, na follow to formula. The square root of b square, what is our b? Our b is minus 7. So minus 7 square, alright? Then minus 4 times a, our a is 1. Then times c, what is our c? It is 12. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. And by the way, unaweza amua hata kuenclose na brackets to make your work a little bit easy ndio isikuchanganye. You can enclose 4ac with a bracket. Then divided by all this, we divide all this by 2 times a. Our a is 1, so 2 times 1. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. What do you get? Minus times minus is positive, so that becomes positive 7 plus or minus the square root of minus 7 square. It means minus 7 times minus 7. Alright? Fanya hivyo. Then minus, what is 4 times 1? It is 4 times 12. It is 48. Alright? Nice one, nice one. Then divided by 2. I hope tuko pamoja hadi hapo. Then mtu wangu, the next thing that we do, this becomes 7 plus or minus. Minus 7 times minus 7 is 49 and a square root. So 49 minus 48. Kumbuka hii square root imeguza zote mbili. So 49 minus 48. Kuna wanafunzi wao wanasahau kusongesha hii square root hadi huko. then divided by 2. All that will give us x. So this is equals to 7 plus or minus the square root of 1, because 49 minus 48 is 1, then divide by 2. Therefore x, remember hapa kote ni x, we are looking for x. Okay, therefore x will be equal to 7 plus or minus 1 over 2. Plus or minus 1 over 2, because the square root of 1 is 1. Space yangu kidogo, so let me do it over here. X will be equal to 7 plus 1 over 2, or 7 minus 1 over 2. Hii plus or minus inamaanisha unachukua kwanza 7 plus 1 over 2, or 7 minus 1 over 2. What do you get? This is 8 over 2, or 7 minus 1 is 6 over 2. Therefore x is 4 or 3. Na hiyo ndio jibu manze. I hope umeona vile ni rahisi. Let us go to question B. B ni rahisi pia. Inasema 2p square minus p minus 3. So solution, again quadratic formula inasema, in this case quadratic formula inasema x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac under the root divided by 2a. But in our case hakuna x, so we'll be basically looking for p. So ours will be p, which is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Remember, not all the time we will be looking for x. Kuna time mwalimu ata replace x na another letter. In this case unaona ni p, so I'll just replace this by p. Aya, is it written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c? Yes, p square followed by p, then followed by a numeral which is a c. Therefore a is 2, our b is negative 1. B ni ile namba iko hapa before p, and then our c is definitely negative 3. Kuwa careful na hizi signs vile nimekuambia. You just come and replace. P will be equal to minus b. What is our b? It is minus 1. Hii kitu lazima ukuwe mwangalifu manze. Then plus or minus the square root of b square. What is b square? It is minus 1 times minus 1. Okay? Because our b is minus 1. Then minus 4 times AC. A is 2 and our C is minus 3. Na nilikwambia you can just put a bracket here to avoid confusion. Then divided by 2A. What is our 2? What is our A? Sorry, it is 2. So it will be 2 times 2. 2A. 2 times 2. Hapo sawa. Nice one, nice one. Therefore, P will be equal to minus 1 is positive 1, because negative times negative from form 1 is positive 1. Plus or minus square root of minus 1 times minus 1 is positive 1. Okay? Minus, what is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times minus 3 is minus 24. Okay? Nice one, nice one. Then divided by 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, P, my friend, is equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 24 divided by 4. Because minus times minus is positive, so itakuwa 1 plus 24 divided by 4 hapa chini. Therefore, P is equals to 1 plus square root of 25 divided by 4. Sorry, plus or minus, yeah, plus or minus. Therefore, P is equals to 1 plus or minus 5 over 4. Reason being, the square root of 25 is 5. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Again, acha nitafute ka space hapo, space yangu imekuwa kidogo. Therefore, P is equals to, nachukua 1 plus 5 over 4 or 1 minus 5 over 4. Therefore, this is 6 over 4. P is equals to 6 over 4 or 1 minus 5 is minus 4 over 4. P is equals to 3 over 2 or minus 1. Therefore, P is equals to 1.5, because 3 over 2 is 1.5 or minus 1. Usiache answer ikiwa in improper fraction. Put it into mixed fraction. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Maze, I hope umeelewa fiti. Mimi nimeshukuru sana maze. Vile umeona mao ni rahisi ndio, ni kujikakamua, si ndio? Nice one, nice one. Join class yangu pale kwenye Google Classroom ukitumia ile code yenye nimeprovide hapo. Follow me on Twitter, IG, like my page on Facebook and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Bye.